All right, I don't know why it cut the video, but that's okay. We're just going to make two parts. So this is an example of what you cannot have. You cannot just put a slide up that explains this is Newton's law. Somebody else made this slide. I just Googled Newton's first law. What you should do is just find an example of Newton's first law. For example, this object is at rest, the soccer ball, and it's going to stay at rest until it is kicked by the boy or girl, and it will then be in motion until it is acted on by an unbalanced force. So that's an example of me looking at this picture and then writing. I talked, but you would write about what is happening in that picture and how that demonstrates Newton's laws. This is something you cannot do. You cannot just pick one and Google it and find one that's already done for you and then write about what the slide says. So pick any picture, pick any video. There's tons of examples. Find one that's fun and use that. Okay? Each picture should have a paragraph. Okay, so slide 1, you should have the title of your project, your name. It says your hour. I'll correct that. It'll be like 8A, 8B, 8C, and then the date. Slide 2 and slide 3 are going to talk about the first law. There will be 2 pictures and 1 paragraph for each pictures. If you need more slides than that, that's fine. You should not need less. If you want to do a picture and then a paragraph and then a picture and then a paragraph, that's fine. The reason I said slides 2 and 3 is I envision you doing a picture and a video and a paragraph on one slide. But if you want to format that differently, I am flexible with that. However, I do not believe you should be able to get 2 pictures and 2 paragraphs on like one slide. I think you should need a minimum of 2 and probably a maximum of about 4. So that is what's due Friday. Just slide 1 and Newton's first law, the 2 pictures or 2 videos, and their paragraphs that go with them. That is all that's due by Friday. So when you look at all your due dates, you have Thursday. I have allotted some time to do that, and it's due by midnight Friday. So Friday, you should also have some time to do that. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me, and I look forward to seeing what all you all come up with.